Hello, in this video I intend to teach you how to withdraw ERC20 in Olymp Trade. You enter the site, click on Payment, click on Redraw, and then click on Add Payment Method. In this section, you slightly select ERC20. You simply enter your wallet address and then just click on Continue securely. Friends, please note that to withdraw $20 in ERC20 from your Olymp Trade account, you must pay a $15 commission. It is suggested that for a cheaper method, you can use ERC20. And then you click on Switch. The withdrawal request has been made, and you click on Done. To check your transactions, click on Payment, and then on Transactions. You see that the ERCB withdrawal is in a pending state. As you can see, the ERC20 withdrawal from our account was successfully completed, and we withdrew completely. And this operation was completed after about an hour, but sometimes it may take a few hours, even up to 24 hours. Good luck.